Here we go, tubes. This is how you make best friends with your neighbors. You fire up loud, noisy compressors and make lots of noise after dark. They love it. We were working on the cannon and trying to get everything all set. And so we're just going to do a little test to make sure there aren't any problems. We're listening over here, making sure there aren't any leaks, because even the pros get leaks sometimes, right? We're going to see how high we can get it to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. I don't know if you can even hear me. This compressor is pretty noisy. I'm standing right here, and if I had to sit next to it at this distance all day, that would hurt my ears. It's pretty noisy. Here's Mrs. Dirtbike. She's going to move the car so we don't blow out the windshield. We're going to keep making noise, and we'll let you know either when we fired or the police show up, whichever happens first. Stand by.
Guys ready?
Alright, here we go.
95. Everybody ready?
Yep.
You got pressure on the other side?
Well, nobody walk in front of that now. Had a little malfunction. Not doing what we're supposed to do. It's getting ready to go. Leaves are starting to move. Whoa, whoa, what's going on? It's falling apart.
Or, watch this.
Take two.
And then,
We're going to try something else.
don't go too much. I mean, I don't know if you're going to get enough volume.
Don't walk over there.
Just don't go in front of it.
Oh, here it comes. I love it.
Whoa.
Alright, so why didn't it do that right off the bat?
Because the air is holding the
What's going on over here? I hear some.
What compressed air looks like, Sam. I can see
I see what happened. There's I got a tarp over there covering my tractors up, and it moved the tarp off, and now the water's leaking out. Look at that.
We grease it up and try it again.
Is it cold?
I came out in the last It's real dry, Bill.
Wow.
I think we have to...
Very cool.
It's very dry. Well, you can freeze a turkey in there.
There you have it.
It seemed like it was all
That's what we do at the Dirt Bike 5100 Ranch.
Yeah.
Got to keep good relations with your neighbors.
By the time it went
They love this stuff.
it was
Okie dokie tubes. Thanks for watching.